Hey guys, David, HD Trucks and Equip, and I've never videoed this. I'm not sure why not. So this is the 2002 International 4300 series previous utility company truck. Low miles, low on hours, and nice. Wow, that's a long way up there, guys. That is a national crane unit on there. 466, I believe, is what it is. According to the little tag on the mast, I believe it's a 55 foot without a jib. It's got the steel stake walls all the way around on it. It's got the front stabilizers. It's got the big old rear stabilizers. Got work lights up there. It's got horizontal exhaust, so you don't have to worry about catching a field of grass on fire, anything weird like that. Solid truck. It's got the little safety cage here so you don't fall off the back. It's got Pintle hitch, and it is got the air brake red knob. It's got the air brake system in there. I don't see the legs out back, so you might have to just run the glad hand hands back there, but it is equipped to pull an air brake trailer. Nice unit. It's an 02. As I say, it's a previous utility company truck. Tires on it look like they're really good. Air brakes down there. Nice unit. Solid. It's got aluminum diamond plate toolboxes on it. They're good and solid. You got plenty of storage there for stuff. Big old hydraulic oil tank. It's running here, so it's going to be a little noisy, but it's a clean cab, air ride seat. It just got manual locks and windows on it. It does have cruise control. Has a working radio. Turn that down. There's your air brake control knobs, automatic transmission, work lights, all the buttons, all that kind of good stuff, air conditioning. Here, 55,000 miles on it, and someplace on here, 5,200 hours. Low miles, low hours, guys. It's what you're always beating me up for. There you go. Hey, notice there's no check engine lights, anything like that going on, because we don't like that. We don't do that here. Upholstery is good. 2-passenger seating. Headliner's good. Sun visors are all there. This is actually a pretty nice little truck. I like this truck. This thing always starts up. We don't ever have to jump start it. Nice set. Cab on it is good. Fenders are good. Nobody's managed to punch the grill out of it. It's a nice solid truck all the way around. So it's hard for me to show you the crane operation while holding the camera. You're just going to have to take my word for it, guys. Obviously it works. It's up in the air up there. Cable comes down, all that kind of stuff. Goes to the left, goes to the right. Everything operates. I want you to look underneath on the ground. I want you to notice that there's no oil running all over the place. Sometimes you buy this stuff and you got some real issues and you get it home. I think this truck just needs to be driven. I think you just need to take this truck home. I think you need to put it to work and make yourself some money. So that's a 2002 International. It's got the big old National 466 crane on it. Controls on both sides, multiple controls. You got the little snubbers there so you can back up against a loading dock, I guess, for whatever reason. Nice setup. It's all ready to go, guys. It's waiting for you right here. You know you want it, you know you need it. Give me a call, 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.